Putri Yolanda Lumpan Gaul. In this video, I will tell you story about Cinderella. But before it, like, comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a kind and beautiful girl whose name is Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and stepsister, where she was treated as a servant and spent her days greeting, tidying, and waiting on them head and foot. Despite their cruelty, Cinderella would always remember her mother's word, have courage and be kind. One day, an invitation to a royal ball arrived. The prince was looking for a bride, and everyone in the kingdom was invited. Her stepmother immediately ordered nursery gowns to be made to herself and her daughter. Cinderella worked day and night to prepare the new dresses in time. On the day of the ball, as they were preparing to leave, Cinderella came down the stairs in a dress she had made for herself. Her stepmother and her sister were so angry to her, looking so beautiful they turned up the dress and left without her. Left alone, Cinderella began to cry when all of a sudden her very good mother appeared. "Don't cry, my child. You shall go to the ball," she said. "But I do not have a dress to wear," cried Cinderella. Her very good mother would have magic, and at once Cinderella rings turned it into a beautiful new ball gown. Then her very good mother found sigmares flying in the pumpkin patch. She thought them with her magic wand, and the pumpkin turned into a beautiful cook, and the mice into 4 white horses and 2 coachmen. When everything was ready, Cinderella waved goodbye. Her very good mother was said, "The magic will only last until midnight. You must reach home by then." When she entered the ballroom, the guests were struck by her beauty, and stepmother and stepsister did not know what she was. The prince asked Cinderella to dance, and she was enjoyed. The prince and Cinderella danced all evening until Cinderella noticed the clock approaching midnight, and she remembered his good mother's words. As she ran down the steps of the place, one of her glass slippers fell off, but Cinderella non-stop to pick it up. She returned home just as the clock struck 12. Her cock turned back into a pumpkin. Her horse became mice, and she was wearing rings once more. Her stepmother and stepsister arrived home shortly afterwards, and were full of talk of the beautiful girl who had danced all night with the prince. The prince had fallen in love with Cinderella the moment he saw her, but she don't even know her name. He picked up her glass slipper from the step and declared, "I will marry the girl whose foot fits the slipper." The prince and his servants took the glass slippers to every house in the kingdom, but it did not fit any of the women who tried it on. Cinderella's stepsister tried to squeeze the leg patch into the dainty shoes, but the servant was afraid it might break. Cinderella's stepmother would not let try on the slipper, but the prince said, "Wait, let her try it." The slipper fit Cinderella put perfectly, and the prince realized there was the beautiful girl he had danced with at the ball. The prince had found the girl he was looking for. They were married and both lived happily ever after.